Hello everyone, welcome back to Optirian. In this today's video, we are diving into a fantastic role at PwC, the position for the Cyber Data Analytics Associate role. So if you are passionate about the data research and who love solving the business problems by using the analytic tools and the technologies, stay tuned till the end as we're all going to discuss all the details about this role. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what all the day-to-day responses are there, what skills that are required, each and everything are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the PwC and the role what they are offering for. So PwC, it is a global leader in consulting and as well as assurance, where they are offering the innovative solutions to solve the world's most complex business challenges. So this particular role is a part of the analytics data assurance practices within the risk and as well as regulatory advisory vertical job. So to assist the clients in detecting, monitoring and predicting the risk using the cutting edge analytics and as well as technologies also. So you will also work with the global teams where you will be building the relationships with the stakeholders, and you will help the practice to grow in the key market like US, UK and as well as Australia also. Now, let's talk about what are all the key responsibilities that you will be there in this role. So first, let's talk about that you will be supporting the clients with the technologies and consulting solutions which is tailored to their needs. And next you have that is you will perform the data analysis and the generate insight by using the tools like SQL, Tableau, Power BI and as well as Excel also. You will also prepare and clean raw data from analyzing using the Alteryx or Python we can say, and you will also work closely with the global teams, attend the calls, and you will also provide the updates to the stakeholders also. And the last, that is you will translate the client requirements into effective technological solutions. So it is a role that bridges the technology and the business to the delivering the impactful results. Now let's talk about that what skills and the qualifications that are required in this role. So you must have skills like strong analytical and the problem solving skills, and you would have proficiency in the SQL and as well as Python programming, and also have experience with ETL or data visualization tools like Alteryx, Tableau or Power BI, and also excellent communication and collaboration skills. So now good to have skills, good to have that we can say that is accounting experience where you have familiarity with the cloud platforms, understanding of risk management and consulting experience. So this is what the good to have skills for this role. Now let's talk about the preferred qualifications that are required. So you have a BE Tech or MCA degree for a reputed institute as well. Now why this role is exciting? So let's talk about this role, like in which way it is standing out. So working on one of the world's most prestigious consulting firm in the PwC. So be a part of the dynamic team which is solving the real world business problems and use a state of the art tool and as well as technologies to make an impact as well. The opportunities for career growth and exposure to the global market, it is very wonderful in this thing. And you will also imagine being the go-to person for data driven insights and helping the businesses to make the better decisions also. Now here is what the main part, that is how you can apply for this. It is very simple. The link in the description box, when you click on the link you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button and you can apply for this role. And ensure that your resume highlights your skills in SQL, Python and as well as data visualization tools, and also showcase any relevant projects or certifications in analytics or risk management as well. So remember, the application deadline is approaching fast, so don't wait too long to submit your application. Apply as early as possible also. So what do you think about this incredible opportunity at PwC? Share your thoughts in the comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Opportunity, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.